So guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate percentage in Google Sheets. So once you're inside your Google Sheet, as you can see, I have a bunch of things going on right here, but the important part for you here is how you calculate the percentage, right? So as you can see here, I have a column with the amount here, and these are basically the same values, but they're all subtotal here in this lower column. And in order to calculate percentage, I've created a new section here. It's basically called percentage, and I'm gonna do an example here and show you. So the first thing that you want to do is ensure that you select your cell and go ahead and click on format at the top. Go down to where it says numbers, and you want to go ahead and ensure that you select percentage. As you can see before, it's on automatic. Now go to your cell and click equal. Then go ahead and select the amount that you want to do it for. Then click the slash here, and then you want to go ahead and click on the total amount. Once you do that, click and enter, guys, and you will see that it calculates the percentage. And that's it. You have the percentage. Now, in my case, I have different values here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a few changes here to few more values. As you can see here, I'm going to change some values here. And then you can see the more I change certain values, the percentage is going to change slightly different. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and calculate percentage in Google Sheets. Very easy and very simple. So there you have it, the percentage of this. That's all there is to it.